Oh hey, didn't see you there. Do you need help finding the motivation to work out? In this video, I'll show you how I made my own fitness inspiration wall. What's up guys, it's Alexia and welcome back to my channel. So this is something that is so important and I think everyone should have one of their own in their house. So I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. So the wall that I'm going to show you guys is something that I like to call a Fitspo wall. So that's short for fitness and inspo, so Fitspo of course, and it's been really helpful in showing me and motivating me every single day to get up, get healthy, and to work out. Unlike a vision board on Pinterest, because this one will be in real life, it'll help you to spend less time on your phone while still finding the same amount of motivation. Without further ado, let me show you guys my wall and show you how to make one. So this is my Fitspo wall. I have all the photos that I wanted, which I printed out at Costco. I cut out the Instagram post with the username still there, so it looks almost like an Instagram feed. And it's basically a collection of some quotes and some of my favorite fitness influencers that I look up to. And here's kind of just the sides of my lamp as well, just so you could see all the photos. Once I found all the photos that I wanted to use, I went to Costco to print them out. Then I came home, cut them out, and used tape to hang them up on my wall. If you guys want to make your own Fitspo wall, I recommend going on Instagram or Pinterest to find the food photos, the helpful quotes, and the pictures of your favorite fitness influencers. If you want to have the same Fitspo wall that I do, I'll leave a slideshow coming up of all the photos that I used. Alright, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that all of you guys take the time to make a Fitspo wall for yourself in your own home. It is so helpful to wake up every day and to look at that because it gives me a vision for the way I want to be. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I hope to continue making more content like this to help you guys achieve all your health and fitness goals. Have a great day, guys! We'll be right back.